Hi, welcome back to Haimo Law. I'm glad to see you return for a crash course on asset protection. Here's the big picture. Don't run with scissors. Everyone has heard that saying before, and if you're like me, in kindergarten you probably heard it more than once. Its message is simple, and yet it's relevant to you because you probably own a lot of assets or property. As you know from the probate video, the term property includes everything you could possibly own, both now and in the future. Some of these assets have the potential to harm someone or something in some way, either actively or passively. Unfortunately, if that happens, you're probably on the hook unless you planned ahead. Forming a business entity such as a corporation does limit your personal liability in some ways, but it leaves you extremely vulnerable in other ways. If you knee-jerked into an S corporation because your accountant thought it was a good idea, you should be very afraid because you're holding giant scissors and you're running in the dark. S corporations and certain LLCs can be taken away from you very quickly and easily. Fortunately, you can protect yourself, your family, your business, and your assets. Asset protection planning involves taking advantage of debtor-friendly laws, especially in Florida, in order to minimize your exposure to personal liability. I'm talking about maximizing your use of assets that are deemed off-limits to creditors. It also includes covering all of your bases, such that you and your properties are both isolated and insulated from each other. An effective plan also requires using the combination of several business entities and trusts. Because you may be covered by your insurance, I'm pleased to share with you that asset protection planning is not necessary for everyone. But if you're serious about protecting your assets, you're going to need an asset protection plan. So don't run with scissors. This concludes our brief overview of asset protection. I hope you better understand how we can help you. Thank you for stopping by, and stay tuned for more.